Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix battery percentage not showing on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is go over, and not having battery percentage is not normal. That's why what are we going to do first is we're going to go over into settings. And now if you want to know where you can find your battery percentage, you need to go over into battery lab. Here, as you guys can see, we got battery setting, and here we have battery percentage. We want to make sure that it is enabled. Now I got 46%, and if you don't see it, then if you don't see it on your own phone, how many percent do you have, you should go over to the Play Store and search for the Battery Widget Reborn. So search for Battery Widget Reborn right now, and after that you need to find an app by Thomas Kubalik, one of the best widget apps I've used. I've had no issues with the app, and it always showed me my battery percentage even if my phone did not want to. Here we click on start automatically and click on consent. We're gonna click it again, and now to add the widget we simply pinch our screen. Once we pinch it, we go to widgets and select our app. Now click add to desktop. You can choose which one you want, and this check mark right here basically gives us the possibility to see our battery percentage. Now let me quickly place it right here so you guys can see it. 47% and charging the same, that's here now 48. And if you don't see it, what you guys want to do is go over into Authorized Device Support Center and tell them about the issue, because you probably have a not working battery sensor. If you have a warranty, that's a free repair. And that's it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.